Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, and with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch variation. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips. Breathing wide into your left side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left, taking a few slow, deep breaths here, breathing wide into your right side body. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle seated twist variation. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to re-energize and nourish your spine. Release and return to center. Reach your arms forward, interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. Begin to alternate lengthening through your wrists and pressing through your fingers, feeling a gentle stretch through your wrists, hands, and forearms. Moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, reach your arms overhead, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.